off, juggled two jobs, and kept my GPA flawless while Jenna was busy flunking intro classes and crying about how hard college was. That night, when my name was called for the top academic scholarship in front of the entire auditorium, I walked onto the stage and saw my mother sitting in the front row, not clapping, not smiling, but scrolling through her phone. When I came down with the award in hand, she looked up briefly and said, loud enough for people to hear, "Well, at least she's good at something." The way her voice cut through the applause made me want to melt into the floor. My classmates gave me awkward half-smiles, and my favorite teacher patted me on the shoulder as if to say, "You're doing great, kid, even if your own mother can't see." That moment solidified something inside me, not just pain, but clarity. I wasn't imagining it, I wasn't exaggerating. I was invisible.